How to fix keyboard not showing on Android phone. So if you want to fix keyboard not showing on your Android phone, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store. Under your Play Store, you need to just go with the upper right, which has that profile. Under profile, tap on manage apps and devices, and here you can go with manage or just go with see details. And here, if you have Gboard, then you just need to simply go with the Gboard, and on the right side you will have update option. You can just simply go with update and update your Gboard. After updating your Gboard, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you just need to simply search for Gboard on your applications. But if you don't find it right here, then you can open up your settings. Under settings, scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you can go with see all apps, and here go with the top right, which has that 3 dots, and then go with show system apps. And now you need to just scroll down and then find Gboard. Once you find the Gboard, tap on it and go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache and also the storage. Once you clear the cache and storage, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back, and you need to go with language and input. In my case, it's under system, so you just need to simply go with system and go with language and input. Under that, you need to go with physical keyboard, and if your physical keyboard is not connected, then you can just simply go and turn it on. And after turning on, you will have your keyboard. That's how you can fix your keyboard not showing on your Android phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.